It's time for this Japanese automaker to get back on its feet again because it has prepared something really special. The famous Mighty Max is on its way back to North America and it's about to redefine the compact pickup market again. Mitsubishi CEO releases a new $16,000 pickup truck and wows everyone. Let's check it out. Back to the US market. Let's be honest, Mitsubishi has seen much better days in America. The company that once gave us legendary models like the Lancer Evolution, the rugged Pajero, and the iconic Eclipse has been reduced to a shadow of its former self. Walk into a Mitsubishi dealership today and you'll find just 6 models, and frankly, most of them struggle to generate any real excitement among American buyers. The current US lineup tells a sad story. You've got the budget-friendly Mirage that nobody really wants, the Eclipse Cross that tries too hard to be sporty, and the Outlander that's decent but hardly a standout. The Outlander PHEV has its merits, but it's hardly enough to restore Mitsubishi's reputation as a serious player in the American market. But here's where things get interesting. While Mitsubishi struggles in America, there's one model that continues to dominate markets around the world, the L200, known in many regions as the Triton. This midsize pickup truck has been a massive success story for Mitsubishi, selling over 2.8 million units globally and maintaining strong positions in markets across Asia, South America, and Australia. That's where the Mighty Max legacy becomes crucial. Back in the day, Mitsubishi sold the Mighty Max pickup in the United States, and it was actually quite successful for a compact truck. The Mighty Max offered genuine Japanese reliability in a small, affordable package. It competed against trucks like the Toyota pickup, the Nissan Hardbody, and various rebadged models from American manufacturers. The Mighty Max represented Mitsubishi's ability to understand what American buyers needed. It was reliable, fuel-efficient, and surprisingly capable for its size. Most importantly, it was affordable, offering a legitimate alternative to buyers who wanted a pickup truck without the size or expense of a full-size model. Fast forward to today, and the market conditions are perfect for Mitsubishi's return to the American pickup segment. The compact truck market has exploded with the Ford Maverick's success, while mid-sized trucks have become increasingly expensive. There's a clear gap in the market for an ultra-affordable compact pickup, and Mitsubishi is uniquely positioned to fill that void. Compact is the keyword. Now, here's where Mitsubishi's strategy gets really smart. The current L200 has evolved into a substantial mid-size pickup that would compete directly with the Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, and Chevrolet Colorado. But that segment is already crowded, and breaking in would require massive marketing investments and years of building reputation. Instead, Mitsubishi is taking a completely different approach. Rather than bringing the existing L200 to America, they're developing an all-new compact pickup that would slot below the mid-size segment entirely. This isn't about downsizing the L200, this is about creating something fundamentally different. The key insight here is platform strategy. While traditional pickups use body-on-frame construction, Mitsubishi's new compact truck will be built on a unibody platform, similar to what we see with crossovers and SUVs. This approach offers several massive advantages. First, it's significantly cheaper to manufacture. Second, it provides better fuel economy. Third, it allows for a more car-like driving experience that appeals to buyers who want truck utility without truck compromises. Think about it. The Ford Maverick proved that American buyers are hungry for smaller, more affordable pickups. But even the Maverick starts around $25,000 and quickly climbs higher with options. Mitsubishi's unibody approach could allow them to undercut that pricing dramatically while still offering genuine pickup truck capability. Most importantly, a unibody platform allows Mitsubishi to leverage existing technology from their SUV lineup. Components from the Outlander, Eclipse Cross, and other models could be shared, dramatically reducing development costs and time to market. This parts sharing strategy is exactly how Mitsubishi can achieve that aggressive $16,000 target price. Exterior design. When it comes to styling, Mitsubishi has a clear roadmap. The new compact pickup will draw heavy inspiration from the latest L200 generation, but adapted for American taste and the smaller platform. The current L200 features Mitsubishi's beast mode design language, and that aggressive masculine aesthetic will definitely carry over to the compact model. Size-wise, we're looking at a truck that's significantly smaller than current mid-size offerings. Expect overall length around 185 inches, making it notably shorter than the Ford Maverick's 200 inches. This compact footprint isn't a compromise, it's a feature. In crowded urban environments and tight parking situations, this smaller size will be a major selling point. The front end will showcase Mitsubishi's signature design elements, bold headlight clusters, an aggressive grille treatment, and a muscular front bumper that suggests capability without looking oversized. The challenge will be making this smaller truck look substantial enough to appeal to traditional pickup buyers while maintaining the efficiency advantages of the compact platform. From the side profile, expect clean lines and proportions that emphasize the truck's practical nature. The cab will be taller and more spacious than you'd expect from such a compact footprint thanks to the unibody architecture. The bed, while necessarily smaller than mid-size competitors, will be designed for maximum utility with clever storage solutions and tie-down points. Interior design and cab configurations. Inside, the new Mitsubishi compact pickup will prioritize function over flash, but that doesn't mean it'll be basic. The unibody platform allows for better interior packaging than traditional truck construction, so expect surprisingly generous space for both passengers and storage. The dashboard will follow Mitsubishi's current design language from the Outlander lineup: clean lines, logical control placement, and a focus on durability over luxury. The infotainment system will be straightforward: a decent-sized touchscreen with wireless smartphone integration, but nothing overly complicated that would drive up costs. Storage solutions will be everywhere: large door pockets, multiple cup holders, a generous center console, and clever underseat storage options. This truck needs to work for contractors who carry tools, families who need space for sports equipment, and commuters who want a practical daily driver. Here's where things get really interesting: cab configurations. While the launch model will almost certainly be a crew cab to maximize appeal, Mitsubishi is seriously considering offering a regular cab version as well. This would be huge because virtually no other manufacturer offers a regular cab compact pickup anymore. A regular cab variant would serve two critical purposes. First, it would allow for an even more aggressive price point, potentially getting that base model down to the magical target. Second, it would appeal to commercial buyers who prioritize bed space over passenger capacity. The regular cab would feature a longer bed relative to the overall truck length, making it genuinely useful for hauling materials, equipment, or recreational gear. Powertrain. Under the hood is where Mitsubishi's strategy gets really smart. Rather than trying to compete on raw power or towing capacity, this compact pickup will focus entirely on efficiency and affordability. The powertrain lineup will be all about hybrid technology, but implemented in the most cost-effective way possible. The obvious starting point would be adapting technology from the Outlander PHEV. That system combines a 2.4-liter gasoline engine with electric motors for impressive capability and efficiency. But here's the problem: the PHEV system is complex and expensive, exactly the opposite of what this truck needs to hit that super affordable price target. Instead, Mitsubishi will likely develop a much simpler self-charging hybrid system. Think Toyota's approach with the RAV4 hybrid, but engineered for even lower cost. A small, efficient gasoline engine paired with a single electric motor and a modest battery pack. This setup would provide the efficiency benefits of hybridization without the complexity and cost of a plug-in system. The base powertrain will probably center around a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. Yes, 3 cylinders might sound small, but modern examples from Ford and others prove that these engines can deliver surprising performance while maintaining excellent fuel economy. Paired with an electric motor, the combined output could easily reach 150 to 160 horsepower, more than adequate for a compact pickup. The beauty of this hybrid approach is the low-end torque from the electric motor. Electric motors provide instant torque, which is exactly what you want in a pickup truck for hauling and towing. Even with modest total power, the hybrid system would feel much more capable than the numbers suggest. Fuel economy will be the real selling point. Target numbers around 35 to 40 miles per gallon combined would be revolutionary for any pickup truck, let alone one that costs $16,000. That kind of efficiency would make this truck appealing not just to buyers who need truck capability, but to anyone looking to minimize fuel costs. Release date and price. So when can we expect to see this revolutionary compact pickup in American showrooms? Based on development timelines and Mitsubishi's global product plans, next year seems like the most realistic target for US launch. That gives Mitsubishi enough time to properly engineer the truck for American safety and emission standards while building sufficient production capacity. The pricing strategy will be absolutely crucial to this truck's success. That $16,000 starting price isn't just a marketing number. It's a strategic weapon designed to disrupt the entire compact truck segment. At that price point, this Mitsubishi would cost less than many used trucks, let alone new competitors. Of course, that base price will be for a stripped-down regular cab model with minimal equipment. But even loaded crew cab versions should stay well under $25,000, maintaining a significant price advantage over alternatives like the Ford Maverick. If Mitsubishi manages to narrow the price down to $16,000, there's no doubt this truck will become a massive hit, but there's a small problem. Check out this video about Toyota bringing the Hilux Champ to the US market, which you can now see on the screen. That one is even cheaper, let alone its genuine body-on-frame construction.